be formless, shapeless, like water.
Shoes, anything to put on. Now when they only support you half the time. Now when it's a gamble, motherfuckers. I find some real niggas like me. They put up on me. I lose all the time. He does, and we keep losing more money and more money. They just still be. You got it, brother. You got it.
We got one like that. That's ish.
Yeah, we got one. It's ish. You don't see us dumping so much money out of it.
They should be winning
You want
though.
another one?
I got one too. It's Kyrus.
You want another one?
Lost one though. Lost one a lot.
And then we lost the last time.
You lost one race.
Of course, he stepped up to the wrong one and got super kicked.
Nah,
yeah, you can't come out fucking swinging balls deep thing in your.
Man, y'all fuck Tate up for that bag, man.
Yeah, hold on. Y'all one set.
Shit, my bad. I'm in front of you.
That was one car.
That was enough for all the pots you got, nigga.
Fuck no, we lost 13,000 to Isaac. You want to be real? How many times did we race him?
We talk about one race. You can't add them all up.
That was a year ago.
If we add them all up, I've done race for like 100 grand so far in my life. God damn. I raced for a couple bags, nigga. What do you carry flags? We know you don't carry flags. Jump master.
I go when I want to go. I do not want to flag because if you jump again,
lose. Yeah. Lose and pay half when you jump.
You ask it.
No, actually, fuck that. I got a new one. No matter who jumps, the driver pays $50 out of the drive.
if he jumps, it's not a jump.
If you jump, you pay him $50. If he jumps, he pays you $50.
Okay.
So it doesn't
Just
there's a
go
wheel
back.
as long as
Yeah,
the
you
wheel
go right
stays
back around.
still.
Okay.
How about that?
But the wheel, but yo, you can't have a situation where the tire moves, but the car doesn't.
It's called lilac.
Can't have one of them.
We got lilac. They don't have lilac.
Remember when
They really
we
don't. It's got
used to
transfer.
Hookah and used to curve out?
So
You cool with that? $50?
If I jump, I'll give you 50. We'll come right back around to your spot.
So it's, that way it's not, oh, we won off a jump and now there's no race. You know what I'm saying? Fuck that. We came to race, so who's going to flag? I'll flag it.
Hey, make sure you apply that rule to every race now.
That's fine.
I talked to him the night it happened.
We don't want to skip the
No, I'm saying like that's versus that. That's better than fucking losing the whole money.
At least you still see the race. Niggas win money off a jump and don't want to race.
Because a real race is a race.
You already paid him? You already paid him. There you go. Get some here, actually.
God damn. That's good money.
In his pot? Oh no, I
got a 10 actually.
Again!
Call Blockhead, see what he wants to do. Who? Shin. Oh. There he is.
Right there.
Big dummy. Shin, suit up.
Suit up.
For what? This car.
BMW's for the win, remember?
Yo, you a funny ass nigga. Let me tell you.
Are you scared of it?
You asked me, I didn't ask you.
Woo! That was a good one right there.
He beat me by 2 and let out.
3-0.
You ain't doing shit.
BMW 3.
I can make it
Check out 0.
Or you want to make it 4 or you want to...
No, I don't.
Listen,
I don't.
we're handicapped.
I don't. Pot fighters. I'm good.
Pot fighters?
Yes, pot fighters.
We let you run full tilt. Let me put spray on it. I bet you I gap him by 10. Bet that.
Well, that's
I'll gap him by 10.
what happened. I'm sorry.
Because we handicapped the car to make it a race?
Well,
You know how stupid you sound right now?
Bottle, that's dumb.
What?
It'll be a gimme on bottle. That's dumb.
You're correct. That's why we handicapped it to make it a race.
Don't want the race.
Yes. The car's fucking first race. The car just went into third.
Well, this nigga's not racing, bro. You want to fucking cry. Fucking baby.
No, you just trying to
Get a
talk shit.
goddamn diaper.
You talking shit. You can't fuck nothing up without Brute. You can't fuck nothing up.
Actually, I did.
No, you didn't. Nigga, we asked you.
And I got a side bet.
He wanted to side bet you too. No, you didn't.
Oh my God.
You were scared to bet $1.
Yo, I'm putting the pot.
You were scared to
Why
bet
are you so
$1.
mad that I'm happy that you won? You lost, not me.
I want to run you.
Why are you so mad for?
Why are you scared like a little bitch? Run me.
Yo, argue the car faster. Argue. That's not an argument.
Are you saying Red Rock?
He
doesn't know what that means. He don't grudge it. Are you scared of the car? Are you really scared of this? Look at it.
Terrified.
Look at this thing. And you're scared of it. Just remember that. You got a car
Money
that's
being spent very nicely this week. Just
You didn't make any. You made nothing. What are you going to go buy?
Your money
Happy
is being
Meal?
spent very nicely this
Happy
week.
Meal?
I'm going to remind you of that. Your money is being spent.
It is.
Thank you for your
And I'm
prop
glad
payment.
Eric is
Thank
amazing
you for your prop
racing.
payment.
You won't race
Thank you for your
nothing.
prop payment. Thank you for your prop payment.
I asked
We
about
know it
$1
wasn't a beer
and you were
dollar.
scared.
You were scared to lose 4 quarters, nigga. Fuck out of here. I don't want to hear none of
I
that.
had side bets. I had all kinds of shit going. It was like playing.
Giant, save the car.
Me too, my nigga. My money was in the pot.
You lied yesterday.
My money was in the pot, brother.
Saturday, whatever the fuck day it was, you lied then. He choked. He choked. See, he choked.
You don't have any dumb nigga that says
You only said yourself that you're tired of
Pay up.
fucking goofy
Pay up.
nigga, bro. You goofy.
Pay up.
You goofy.
Pay up.
Hey,
You
hey,
goofy.
hold on, hold on.
You're goofy.
Hey,
up.
you're a big goofy. If I run Eric right back right now, how much you gonna bet?
Hey, thanks for
If I run Eric right now, how much you gonna bet?
Put $1
Thanks for your
in
prop
it.
payment.
This is his go-to. Thanks for your prop payment. I have a vagina.
That's all.
Get the fuck out of here,
That's all that
nigga.
matters.
Eric,
Goof,
how
nigga.
bad does he tug on your
All
balls
this
at
short
night?
guy shit.
How bad does he tug on your
Yo,
balls
are you
at
gonna
night?
hold his left nut or his right nut when he's nutting tonight?
Listen, thanks for your
When
prop
he's
payment.
fucking his
Thanks for your
grip
prop
tonight,
payment.
which nut are you gonna
Thanks for your
hold?
prop payment.
That's how hard
Thanks
you
for your
hold
prop.